Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ebony Bomani and I'll be sharing my natural makeup look with you today. First, I like to start with clean, hydrated skin. Makeup just looks better overall when your skin is hydrated. Plus, I have oily skin and skin produces more oil when it's dehydrated. Go figure. I like to start with my eyebrows. I sketch them on lightly using wispy strokes to mimic my eyebrow hairs. I prefer them to be slightly darker than my own just so they can look as natural as possible. And once I'm done filling them in, I use the spoolie at the end just to blur out the spaces that may be too heavy. And like most people, my eyebrows are not twins. They're not even sisters. I think they're more like distant cousins. I'll try my best to remember to list everything that I'm using in the video. If not, all the products that I'm using will be listed in the description box. So I'm dabbing on a few dots of Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Foundation in number 5. The shade is Honey. It's a medium coverage foundation. It's not too heavy. It blurs out some of the texture and freckles on my face. I love that I still have ample coverage, but my skin still looks like skin. I don't like full coverage because I don't like covering up every single thing. So this is an oil-free foundation and it dries down matte. And as a person with oily skin, I prefer a matte finish. Being that my foundation gave me the coverage that I wanted, I'm going to be using my concealer as a brightener. I'm going to be using Born This Way concealer in Warm Nude. This one is by Too Faced. So I'll be just applying a little bit under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and in the middle of my forehead. So if you have issues with long-term discoloration or if you have temporary hyperpigmentation, I recommend using a color corrector or even concealer that has an undertone that's orange or red. That'll definitely help to even out your skin tone before you apply your foundation. Next, I want to add just a little bit of dimension to my face using Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation in the color Chestnut. I typically don't do any heavy contouring to make anything look smaller or even more chiseled. However, I do like to add shadows so my face can have peaks and valleys rather than just have my foundation look flat. So I'm just going to add a little bit above the hollows of my cheeks and around my hairline and then just blend, blend, blend. So now I'm just going to set it and add a little bit more warmth to my face with MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Tan. I also love to use this on my eyelids for a pop of color when I don't feel like using an eyeshadow. I also sweep it around my hairline and my jawline and down the sides of my nose. Not only is it just warm, but it also has a little bit of shimmer in it. So if you have a deeper complexion, you could actually use this color to set your foundation. It's beautiful. So for the lips, I'm going to go in first with my liner. It is the color Plum by MAC Cosmetics. It's probably one of my favorite shades of plum in a liner that I've ever used. So everyone knows that I love a nude lip color, but instead of doing a pink nude or a beige nude, I decided to step out of my little box and do more of a lavender / violet nude. So this color by Urban Decay is called Violet. Because I'm wearing falsies, I'm just going to go ahead and apply one thin coat of mascara to my own lashes. This helps for your lashes to blend better with your falsies. Now, some people prefer to add their falsies and then apply mascara, but personally, I prefer to apply mascara first because I don't like getting mascara in my falsies. So the final step for my complexion is adding a little highlight to the high points of my face. And for this step, I'll be using Fenty Beauty's Kilowatt in the color Water Brat. This is the first time I have ever used a highlighter that wasn't in the gold family, and I absolutely love it. To top this look off, I'm just going to add a little bit of gloss, and that'll be it for me. So you guys, that's it for me. This entire look took me less than 20 minutes, and that's probably only because I had to apply the lashes, and you know, lashes sometimes can take a little longer. So I know that this is different content from me, but I would love to hear your feedback. I would love to hear about your makeup and skincare routines. Let me know if you'd like to see more makeup videos from me. Be sure to stay safe, be well, keep in touch, and as always, thanks for watching.